We're learning tonight at least one person has died from the flash floods as water poured into their basement. This is the scene in New York City. Drivers sitting on their trapped cars while others run away from rushing waters. Flash flood warnings issued with officials urging drivers to avoid waterlogged roads. But the subway is also a mess, water streaming through the ceilings of the station in Brooklyn as commuters try to make it home. And scary moments in New Jersey. This is why a young girl rescued from a flooded car, a massive tree falling on this Bergen County home as well.